Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are keeping well. If this is your first time you're just watching me, you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, press that red button there, click the notification bell so that anytime I put a video you will be the first to know. And to those that have subscribed to my channel, thank you, may God bless and keep you. And to those that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, let us move this channel forward, okay? So guys, today's video I want to share a recipe for men that are suffering from low sperm count. So if you are a man and you are suffering from low sperm count and you have gone to the hospital, doctor confirm you that you have a low sperm count that makes you not to be able to impregnate your wife, please, this video is for you, okay? And some of the things that cause low sperm count in a low sperm count in a man are excessive drinking of alcohol, too much of smoking, marijuana, cigarettes, and infection. Okay, so if you're a man and you find yourself that you are having this problem and you're also taking this thing that I mentioned, please, for this home recipe to work for you, you have to minimize it. Just remove your hand, not minimize. Remove your hand and follow this recipe for complete 1 month. You are going to see a good and a massive result. Okay, so guys, let's get down to the video. Let me show you the things you need. So guys, the first thing you need is cucumber. So cucumber are loaded with vitamin C and manganese. It is also good in supporting sexual health, elevating energy, and increasing your libido. Okay. The second thing you need is 1 apple. Apples are considered a balanced fruit with a good mix of nutrients. Apples are good because it helps to increase sperm count in a man. Okay? After you finish cutting it, okay, all you need to do, just take your plate and add the apple there. Put it aside. The third thing you need is 2 bananas. Banana is good because it's loaded with essential vitamins. Vitamin like vitamin A, vitamin B1. And the banana promotes production of a healthier sperm. Banana also help to increase sperm count or sperm productivity. Okay? All you need to do, just cut your banana. Make sure you wash it before you cut it, in order to avoid transferring dirty from outside to inside. Okay? So the fourth thing you need is spinach. Spinach contains folic acid and vital to the development of a healthy sperm. Okay, so before you cut your spinach or before you start cutting your cucumber or your apple, make sure you wash them. Okay, then put it aside. And the next thing you need is yogurt. Yogurt helps to develop higher testicle, higher estrogen level, and the increased sperm count. So the yogurt you are going to use is unsweetened yogurt, okay? So that is what you are going to use. After everything is ready, the next thing you need is your blender. You now start putting everything. Either you put your spinach first or you put your cucumber, as long as everything is going inside the blender for blending. Okay, So second to the last thing I want to add now is yogurt. I'm going to add half of this yogurt inside the blender. So if you want to do it the one that will last for 3 days, you can add 1 cup of yogurt. But if you want to do it today and tomorrow, just add half, okay? And the last thing I'm going to add now is chia seed. In Italian language, they call it semi di chia. So if you want to buy it, you can see semi di chia. In English, they call it chia seed. Okay? Like I said before, chia seed contains calcium and omega-3 fatty acid. It helps to increase movement of sperm and the flexibility of the sperm. All you need to do, take 1 tablespoon of chia seed and add it inside. After adding it there, you now add your water and start blending. For the smoothies to be thick and not watering, you have to add 1 cup of water, like a glass cup of water. So you know what you want, how you want your smoothies to be, okay? You now add it and cover it, okay? If you don't want to use water to blend it, you can use milk. Milk is also good, okay? This is the outcome of it after blending it. Look at how it looks very greenish and thick. When you are serving it to your man, or when the man that is watching me is drinking this, make sure you drink 1 cup every day for 1 month to get a massive and good result. And after you have gotten your results, please don't forget to come to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and also share the video to those that are facing what you are facing. So the next thing you need now is your cup, and you pour it inside, fill it, and serve it to the person. That is all. Okay guys, thank you very much, for I have come to end of today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share this video to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye bye.